Hello there, today I will tell you how to create a Discord bot absolutely free. Firstly, you need to register for the Discord and access the Discord developer portal. After logging in, go to the Applications section and click the New Application button. Give the application a name and click Create. Then go to the section Bot in the sidebar and click the button from Bot. Give your bot a username and avatar, then click Save Changes. Now when you have a bot, you need to invite him to your server, then repeat as in the video. Now we go to Discord and see that our bot has been added and it has its own role. In the next video, I will show you how to set up the bot and add it to the hosting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.